Today's video is about learning when to replace your skylights. Okay, this particular property is a commercial property, but it's the same for residential, multifamily, or commercial. Actually, this is a warehouse, and these skylights, when you start seeing these cracks here, you see that lets water and moisture in, and it creates leaks. And you wouldn't know your skylights are cracked unless you give us a call to come out and inspect it. So this skylight may not be leaking, but if you see these cracks, that'll let water penetrate into the building right there. That's how you know when it's time to replace your skylights. Save yourself thousands of dollars. Once you start seeing cracks like this may not, let a lot of water enter the attic space area. But when it's time and you find out it's too late, you already have thousands of dollars worth of damages inside. Now would be the time to replace it. This one here doesn't seem to be as bad. You see these spider cracks, but now would be a good time to replace them. Hope you guys learned something today on skylights. If you need them replaced or looked at, give us a shout. See you guys on the next clip.